Welcome back for the announcement of my 10K subscriber appreciation. Finally, right? Oh my God, I know. I've been so busy. Sorry about that, but here we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn it around, flip it. I'm going to do the random picker, and then we'll go ahead and pick the 12 names, and then I'm going to come back and give you some more information. So let's go ahead and flip it. With the original video, this is for the 10,000 subscriber appreciation. There were 12 items that were mentioned in the original video, which are right there. Those are going to be the ones that we're going to be selecting the subscribers for today. And the rules were under the video. There is the $9 FDA shipping fee. So we're going to go ahead and just run that. I have gone ahead and copied the URL for the video, and I'm going to go ahead and just press get YouTube comments. It is going to filter out any duplicates. There was a total of 150 comments, if you can see that. So we're going to go ahead and pick the winners. And yeah, so there will be 12. There's going to be 12. There's going to be 12 people. So here we go. Starting. And the first one is Danny Dogmouth. And again, this is only for the US. Unfortunately, it's like $50 to ship it out of state or out of the country. So I've already checked on that. There's no way that I can do that. I'm sorry. And yeah, so let me go ahead and put that down. All right, and then let's go ahead and pick another one, as there will be 12. And the next one is Took Alone in the Woods, Mike. All right. So let me see if I can just copy this, because that makes it so much easier. And text. Yes, that worked. Okay. So let's go ahead and pick another one. And the next one is, this is kind of fun, isn't it? Let's go ahead and zoom in. This one is Colleen Kendall Peters. Congratulations. Go ahead and do that one. Next one. Kitty Catchow Dobson. Now I am going to be checking, because you do have to be subscribed to the channel, of course, and I'll be checking that afterwards, but I'll check it after I've already selected everybody. And there we go. And then let's pick another one. So we've got 4. We've only got 8 more. Okay, this one's Keith Little. Congratulations, Keith. You did win. This is so much fun. I wish I could do this all the time. Okay, next one is... Probably do this all night. We got 5. Next one is Brian Pagano. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, you had 3 chances to win, and he actually won on the 3rd chance. Through my Facebook group, through my Patreon page, or through here, and he actually won through here. How awesome is that? All right, so let's go ahead and pick another one. And this is Vapin' the Juice. So congratulations to Vapin' the Juice. So I'm going to put that one in here. Okay, so far we've got 7. We've got 5 more. So let's pick another one. Okay, Andrea Bressett. Congratulations, you are a winner. Or appreciated, however they want to say it. Pick another one. 4 more. Angela Faye. Congratulations. Got 3 more. Trying to keep a list of all these, so sorry about that. I could watch the video back, but I'm not going to. All right, so here we go. Past the Dirt Road. These names are really crazy. I love them. This is so awesome. So let's go ahead and put that name down. 1. Okay, so we've got, oops. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. Here we go. And it's Michaela Reviews. I cannot believe it. Yay, Michaela won. She's going to be so happy. She's been sick lately. So Michaela's another one. And then one more, last but not least. Let's do this. Rochelle. Yay, honey, you got it. So yeah, so we've got a total of, let's see, this is that one. Oh, Rochelle. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 winners. Let me go ahead and turn around. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, all done. Congratulations to the 12 people that were selected. What I'm going to do is I've actually got a list of everything that was there. What I'm going to have you do is send me an email. I'm going to leave my email address for the $9 PayPal FDA shipping fee. I'll leave it below the video along with what's there. And I want you to go ahead and email me at that same email once you're done. And in that, I do need a copy of your ID showing that you are 21 years of age or older. I also need your shipping information. Please put 10,000K subscriber appreciation in the subject line. And then give me a list of your top 3 picks from the list. And then I'll let you know which one you're getting and when it's shipped out. So yeah, so, oh my God, congratulations. I'm so excited, 12 people, 12 people. So thank you again for all your support, for helping me get to where I am today, and for coming with me on this journey. It is so appreciated. I love each and every one of you. I couldn't have done it without you, and I'm going to continue to give back. So I love you guys. Don't forget, check the description box down below. Click see more if you can't see it. All that information will be left below. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Congratulations.